really pack a wallop. May the beauty of these flowers be a symbol of our everlasting love.
You might want to check your shoes. I think you stepped in something.
Your music touched my soul tonight. It resonates deep within me.